Hey everyone, so I have my friend James here and we are going to do the chopstick as hands makeup challenge. Full face makeup. We saw on TikTok a few people were doing lashes and we were actually inspired to do a full face makeup look with only chopsticks.
In 10 minutes.
In 10 minutes. So
10 minutes.
I have the timer here.
Oh, and then afterwards, Crystal's gonna judge who's bad.
Yeah, we're gonna have someone who's gonna judge our makeup
And
look.
we're both Aries, so, you know.
I'm competitive.
I will win. What do I win though?
We'll see. You win honor.
Yes.
Honor is priceless.
These are chopsticks.
These are chopsticks. We have these really shitty disposable chopsticks, so they're not even good. They're actually really bad.
Mine's already has a splinter.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, we don't.
Dangerous.
Here's another one.
Okay.
Okay, let's break these. So we're gonna begin by breaking these first. Ready? Oh, mine's already messed up.
You have to get the splinters out this time.
Okay.
Usually for food, I don't do this.
Oh my, but it's creating more splinters though.
It is.
It was totally fine before.
It's fine. Okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna deal with
Okay.
this. Okay, so I'm gonna start the timer. We're gonna do full face. Ready, set, go.
Okay.
Okay, what are you gonna? Okay, I'm gonna do.
I need.
I'm gonna do face
I'm
first.
gonna
I
prime
have
my-
here a beauty blender. This is the Juno sponge.
And I have a. Oh, this is not bad. I don't have to.
Wait, how do I
clean my
squeeze this
hands.
now? I have to squeeze this.
Okay, I'm gonna powder my face first. Oh.
Okay, so I'm going to.
I got my powder.
Okay, I have to apply concealer on first. You're powdering first?
Yeah. I saw people do this so their foundation lasts longer. I started doing it because foundations I have are usually like dewy now.
Oh my gosh. I hope this doesn't fall
This
on
is
me.
not bad. I don't have to wash my hands after.
Okay, so now I have the sponge.
Okay, now my hands are cramping a little bit.
Oh man. Hold on.
You look crazy. Okay, I'm gonna.
Oh, I dropped my sponge.
Hi, I'm
Dude, this
back.
is hard. This is really hard.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not using that sponge anymore. I'm gonna use another one.
Dropped
I'm
it.
using another sponge.
So she's gonna steal my technique.
Nope.
I'm. This is okay, right? I'm fine.
Wait, we have to do full face.
Oh my god, I should go faster. Okay, maybe I'll just pat around my pimples. Yeah.
Actually, if you use two hands, you have more control.
Oh.
That's not cheating, right?
If I just hold it and move my head, it's a lot easier. All done. Oh my god, I think I just invented a new thing.
Wait, I'm gonna try that.
Right? It's very awkward, actually.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put blusher on my sponge. I think I'm winning.
I dropped my sponge. Okay,
Next step for you. then.
next step for me.
Okay.
I'm gonna powder my face.
This is okay. This should be easy because the product I usually do tap it in. So
I'm using gravity to help me here.
it looks like you're. It looks like you're getting attacked by a microphone, like a boom mic. That's what. You know, I can't tell if this blush is working or if I'm just blushing. too
Okay,
much.
so my face is done. It's probably patchy. Oh well.
All right, my technique.
Okay, I'm gonna do eyeshadow. I'm gonna get right into it. Oh no, wait, I have to do my brows. Damn.
Piece of cake. A little dizzy though. Okay, so I'm really bad at using chopsticks. Oh.
Oh my gosh. Ugh. You know what? If I just hold it.
I have no faith. No faith in. Okay,
Dude, my hands are cramped. My hands are so cramped.
Okay.
I'm gonna get carpal tunnel from this.
I got it. Okay, what look are you doing?
I don't
Did you
know.
think that far?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna do.
Are we doing cut crease or full face? What do we decide?
I want to do a cut.
No, this is
crease, but
cheating.
it's-
There's no way. Damn, that was my only brush too.
Shoot! Oh no. Actually, oh right, move my head. Not the brush. Move my head, not the brush. Oh. Okay, I will say don't try this at home, guys.
Yeah, you can actually hurt yourself and poke your eyes out.
I am hurting
This
myself.
is
Oh.
this is bad. Okay, I'm gonna do eyeshadow.
Yeah,
Actually,
yeah.
you're doing a good job. You're doing better than I anticipated.
Me too. But my thumbs are so cramped.
Okay, I'm gonna try and get a color. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette.
Oh my god.
What color should
Actually,
I do?
this red is pretty good.
You're doing red? Okay, I'll do red too.
Is this a streak of foundation? It kind of looks like contour.
Oh, my hand. It hurts. we were like, yeah, we could totally do a cut crease, no problem.
Yeah, but no. How are we
This is
gonna
total
do
fail.
lashes?
I'm so scared. No, lashes I'm really confident in. I mean,
Okay.
okay, dude, it's been 6 minutes. We have 5 more minutes.
Oh no.
Forget it. I'm gonna go straight to eyeliner.
Oh.
I'm not wasting any more time. I'm gonna do.
That was not the floor. That was on my pants, guys. Don't judge me. Don't judge me, please.
Okay, got my eyeliner, so I'm gonna try and
Okay, I have no
align my eyes. Oh, I have like a wavy eyeliner. It's kind of nice. It's different.
Bring back the wavy trend. No, I needed that.
We should have points for every time like you drop something.
So you got 1 point for the blender. I got 2
Oh my gosh.
brushes. Okay. This'll look. Oh wait.
Actually, this isn't too bad. I'm gonna try again. Oh Lord,
Technique.
please help me. You know, if you hold your pencil closer,
Yes?
you have better control over it.
You're doing eyeliner?
Yes. Yeah, I'm pretty ambitious.
Ooh, I'm gonna do
Oh no. Okay. I can't do this other one.
ooh, angle. Okay, I usually use powder for my eyeliner.
Oh, I put eyeliner in my eyeball.
No.
It's kind of edgy.
It's edgy.
It's edgy.
We just need dramatic lighting.
Okay.
and-
We have 8. It's 8 minutes. Okay, we have to hurry.
Oh no. Oh no.
Okay,
Oh, no.
I'm going
Oh,
to
no. Oh no.
do
I can't
lip.
do it. I can't do it. Okay, is this like, I'm gonna use a chopstick. Okay guys, if you guys, don't do this guys.
I'm like eating.
Don't put chopsticks on your eyes. Also don't drop brushes. What was that?
That was my lip. Yeah, that was my.
Was that important?
It was pretty important. Oh, I need blush. Hold on, I need blush. I need blush. I'm gonna use Serum blush.
Ow! A freak. I'm gonna get in trouble. Don't do that, guys. Okay. Highlight.
Wait, how am I gonna blend this? Oh my gosh.
Whoa, look at that glow. Only look at that glow. Don't look anywhere else. We're matching.
Yeah, we're doing good.
We're matching today. Should I? How did you do? Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna do lashes now.
Oh, I want to do a.
Which one should I do? I have Doe Lash here. We have
You're doing lashes?
Cloud9.
Okay.
Cloud9.
I'm gonna dot in a mole.
We have really, really low key. Oh, shoot. Really, really low key, Cloud9. Oh my gosh. And Crazy in Love. So I'm probably gonna do the
Beauty
Crazy in
mark.
Love.
Did I do it?
Okay, so I have here Crazy in Love. Apply the glue on. I'm scared. Ready?
Oh my god, I see my makeup. Actually, not bad. Oh, bad. Oh, this is easier than my hands. Wow!
How are you getting it on faster?
I don't know.
What the heck?
It looks good. Better than yesterday. Actually, maybe I'm delusional. It doesn't look that good. But it's on there.
This is art. Okay, I got it.
Oh my
I think I
God.
do. This is bad.
Part 2. I'm very proud of myself, actually. Okay, how did the TikTok girls do it?
practice or they're just masters.
Oh my god.
Oh, this one was better.
We look good.
Actually, it's not bad.
Okay, I have like some glue on this side, but no one sees
I think
that.
I'm almost done.
I'm so proud of
I'm
myself,
gonna
actually.
apply more blush. Oh. Actually, no, that's cheating. I'm done.
Wait, how much time do I have?
Wait, I'm gonna fix my makeup because it looked like a hot mess.
This is, you know, not bad. This is better than when I do my makeup in Uber. Not bad. See, we stand back here. Fine.
Yeah, far away we look good.
Cheese. I'm so ugly this side. I hate this side. I'm a one-trick pony, guys. This is the only angle you get.
What if I cover half my face? Like,
Yeah.
I'm here to look at your beautiful makeup. Let me see. Oh. Because I was watching in the monitor and I was like, you know, it's not that bad. But then now that I'm looking in person, is that a mole?
Yeah.
Did you do it on purpose?
I did.
Oh, I thought it was an accident.
No.
Wait, let me see again. What do you guys think? Who won?
I think James is so much better.
But see, the thing is, I think it's impressive that you did a wing eyeliner.
Yeah.
That's pretty impressive. Well, I mean, okay, let's ignore that one. Well, you guys did good for sort of 10 minutes.
Is this my face?
Yeah, no. That's like something you didn't blend in.
Anyone who wants to do this challenge, good luck because this was actually really hard.
Damn. I'm impressed by those TikTok girls.
I know.
Okay, we'll try again some other day. Do you
Bye,
think we'll do good?
guys. Bye.
We did good, I think.
Bye, everyone.